Welcome to Digue, the third largest island in Seychelles and home to the world-famous Anse Source d'Argent, often called the most beautiful beach on earth. With its laid-back island vibe, Digue is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy stunning beaches, along with exciting activities like biking and hiking. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to plan your trip, from how to get there and where to stay, to the must-see sites and activities. So let's go! First, how to get there. Digue is easily accessible by ferry with departures from both Mahe and Preslin. If your budget allows, you can even book a helicopter transfer from Mahe for a quicker, more luxurious option. When visiting Seychelles, you'll arrive at the international airport on Mahe. From there, head to the port in Victoria to catch the ferry to Digue, a journey that takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes. We took the ferry from Preslin to Digue instead, a much shorter 15-minute trip. This makes it possible to visit Digue as a day trip as well from Preslin. To get there, we used Cocos, one of Seychelles' largest ferry companies, and paid 185 Seychelles rupees per person. Tip: if you're prone to seasickness, be prepared. The sea can get quite rough, which made many people on board very sick. Luckily, we were fine. Then, where to stay? Accommodations in Seychelles can be pricey, and while Digue does have its share of luxurious hotels, there are also more budget-friendly options available. We stayed at Zerov Guest House for 3 nights. It's a simple yet comfortable place centrally located on the island, perfect for cycling to all the top sites. The guest house also has its own takeaway and small supermarket, making it super convenient. Things to do in Digue. To explore the island, renting a bike is the way to go. With only a handful of cars and golf carts on the island and none available for tourists, cycling is the perfect solution. Plus, Digue is small enough to explore entirely on 2 wheels. We got ours at Dada's Bike, conveniently located near the harbor. Then, visit Anse Source d'Argent, one of the most iconic and photogenic beaches in the world. With its powdery white sand, massive granite rock formations and turquoise waters, it's the crown jewel of the Seychelles and often called the most beautiful beach on earth. Located within Le Union Estate, visitors must pay an entrance fee of 150 Seychelles rupees per person and keep the estate's opening hours in mind. We visited right after opening, being the very first ones there, and again just before sunset. Both times we almost had this breathtaking paradise entirely to ourselves. Renting a kayak at Anse Source d'Argent is a popular activity, and you've probably seen this all over social media if you looked up this beach. You'll find 2 kayak rental companies right on site, making it easy to grab one and hit the water. As mentioned, Anse Source d'Argent is located within Le Union Estate. This is a historic former coconut and vanilla plantation. Beside this beach, there's so much more to explore here. Walk or bike through the beautiful grounds, visit the old colonial plantation house, and don't miss the coconut and vanilla plantation or the Seychelles giant tortoises. The Union Estate is open daily from 8 AM to 5 PM and entry costs 150 Seychelles rupees per person. Your ticket allows unlimited entry and exit throughout the day, so you can explore at your own pace. On the east coast of Digue, you'll find Anse Caïman, a stunning beach with a cozy beach bar and a very friendly owner. To reach it, follow the Anse Caïman Trail, a scenic hike that takes you through beaches and coastal forests such as Grand Anse, Petit Anse, Coco Bar, Anse Coco, Caïman Rock Pool, and eventually Caïman Beach and Beach Bar. The trail is 2.25 kilometers one way and takes about 1.5 hours, depending on how often you stop to soak in the incredible views along the way. On Digue, you might be lucky enough to spot the rare Seychelles black paradise flycatcher. The best place to see it is the Veuve Special Reserve, a protected breeding and feeding habitat for this unique species. Even if you don't visit the reserve, Keep an eye out on hikes like the trail to Cayman Beach. We spotted one there. Next up, hike to the highest point of La Digue, the Eagle's Nest. At 330 meters, it offers a breathtaking view of the island. The trail starts at Bellevue Restaurant, but getting there is a challenge. The road is so steep, we had to park our bikes and walk the last 30 minutes. Although the sign at the start indicates that the difficulty is medium, we found the hike itself tough, steep and demanding, especially in the heat and humidity. You'll even have to climb in places, sometimes with the help of a ladder. Paths aren't always well maintained, so be prepared to squeeze through trees and bushes. Tip: don't forget to bring plenty of water. Then, explore more of La Digue's stunning beaches. Beyond Anse d'Argent and those along the hike to Cayman Beach, there are several others worth checking out. We recommend Anse Patatas, Anse Sever, Anse Banana, and Anse Fourmi. The last two are located in the far north, making them more secluded and peaceful. You can easily reach them by bike. Looking for food and drinks on La Digue? The island has plenty of great spots for both dining in and takeout. Here are some of our favorites. Zerov Takeaway, perfect for a quick bite. Cayman Beach Bar, great for lunch. Natural Bar and Grill, they serve lunch and smoothies. Glorious Bakery, for pastries and pizza. And Ray and Joss, another awesome takeaway spot. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it or found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. I hope to see you for my next one. Bye!